Maayong adlaw, good day. I'm Reymund, and in this video, we will be learning about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Negros Occidental. This video was requested by one of my very supportive subscribers, Sir Kevin D. Souza. A shout out to all my subscribers who are always watching and liking my videos. Of course, the Philippines is composed of three major island groups, that is Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Region 6 is in the Visayas Island Group. Western Visayas is composed of 6 provinces, namely Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, and Negros Occidental. The regional center of Region 6 or Western Visayas is Iloilo City in the province of Iloilo. For the province of Negros Occidental, it is composed of 6 legislative districts and Bacolod City, the lone district of Bacolod City. The city of Bacolod is composed of the following. We have Banago, Bata, Mandalagan, Downtown, Villamonte, Estefania, Granada, Alangilan, Vista Alegre, Monte Vista, Taculing, Singkang, Alihis, Mansilingan, Filisa, Handumanan, Cabog, Tangob, Pahanokoy, Sumag, and Punta Taytay. The first district of the province of Negros Occidental is composed of 2 cities and 3 municipalities. We have Escalante City and San Carlos City. We also have the municipality of Calatrava, municipality of Don Salvador, Benedicto, and the municipality of Toboso. For the second district of the province of Negros Occidental, we have Cadiz City, Sagay City, and the municipality of Manapla. For the third district of the province of Negros Occidental, we have Silay City, Talisay City, Victoria City, municipality of Enrique B. Magalona, and the municipality of Murcia. For the fourth district of the province of Negros Occidental, we have Bago City, La Carlota City, the municipality of Pontevedra, municipality of Pulupandan, municipality of San Enrique, and the municipality of Valladolid. For the fifth district, we have Himamaylan City, municipality of Binalbagan, municipality of Hinigaran, municipality of Isabela, municipality of La Castellana, and municipality of Moises Padilla. For the 6th district, we have Kabangkalan City, Sipalay City, municipality of Gandoni, municipality of Cauayan, municipality of Hinubaan, and the municipality of Ilog. Once again, the province of Negros Occidental is composed of the following. So for the first district, we have 2 cities and 3 municipalities, a total of 5. For the second district, we have 2 cities and 1 municipality, a total of 3. For the third district, we have 3 cities and 2 municipalities, a total of 5. For the fourth district, we have 2 cities and 4 municipalities, a total of 6. For the fifth district, we have 1 city and 5 municipalities, a total of 6. For the sixth district, we have 2 cities and 4 municipalities, a total of 6. And of course, the lone district of Bacolod City. All in all, there are 13 cities and 19 municipalities in the province of Negros Occidental, a total of 32 cities and municipalities. And that's all for this video, which is about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Negros Occidental. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Madamo gid nga salamat kag halong pirmi. Thank you very much and take care always.